In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zamzar. Zamzar is a simple, web-based converter that lets you change documents, images, videos, and audio files from one format to another without installing any software. It's great for quick, one-off conversions when you just need a file in a different format fast. First, open your browser and go to zamzar.com. You'll land on a clean page with a clear upload area. Everything happens online, so there's nothing to download, and the basic process is free. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure before uploading anything important. You don't need to log in to get started. Right away, you can upload your file. Click the upload button or drag and drop a file from your computer. For this walkthrough, imagine you're working with an image, but the process is the same for documents, videos, and audio. Zamzar supports a wide range of formats, so most common file types will work. If your file is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before moving on. Once your file is in, choose what you want your image to be. You'll see a drop-down with output options. Pick the format that fits your goal, maybe JPEG or PNG for images, PDF if you need something easy to share, or another format depending on where the file will be used. If you're unsure, picking a widely supported format like JPEG for photos or PDF for read-only viewing is a safe bet. You may notice an advanced settings section appear. This is optional. You can configure things like quality, size, or other format-specific options, or simply ignore it and keep the defaults. If you need a smaller file, lowering quality or dimensions can help. If you want the best clarity, leave quality higher. When in doubt, the default settings usually produce reliable results. When you're ready, click Convert. Now, Zamzar will start processing your file. You'll see a progress indicator, and the time it takes depends on your file size and internet speed. Keep the tab open while it works, and avoid refreshing the page. After the conversion completes, your file will be prepared in the new format, and the process is essentially done. At this point, you've successfully converted your file using Zamzar. A quick reminder, free conversions may have size limits, and very large or uncommon files can take longer. Avoid uploading confidential or sensitive content to any online service. If something doesn't convert as expected, try a different output format or a smaller version of the file. That's all you need to use Zamzar quickly and confidently.